Hey, my name's Ollie. I've been working at Freedom Flooring for 2 years. I do floor sanding and floor laying. Yeah, it's a lot of strain on your back. It's quite easy to injure yourself with moving all the timber products and the heavy machinery.
Yeah, every day I actually lift boxes, really heavy boxes and some light. See that it causes a lot of back problems for me, especially when I go out and do my other daily things.
So just before carrying the buckets of glue, it was definitely a lot easier using the Liftsmart. It basically just rested there. You didn't have to put in any effort at all. You could carry it a long distance for sure, you know, if you had to move it quite far to get up to the job.
There's a lot less strain on my arms and my back. Everything wasn't that heavy as it would normally be.
It's a lot easier on your back, on your arms. I would definitely recommend Liftsmart to people in the similar industries that have to move a lot of heavy equipment and machinery.
Yeah, I'd really recommend this for people in the warehousing industry or everyone who's picking up boxes on a daily basis. It's actually quite comfortable too.